It's like having a plant that keeps giving you beautiful flowers year after year. Learning to invest in the stock market is like learning to ride a bike. At first it can be confusing and even a little bit scary, but with the right guidance, you can learn how to do it well and enjoy the ride. That's where an online course or a mentor can help. Step-by-step instructions. An online course is like a book that teaches you how to ride a bike. It gives you step-by-step instructions and explains things in a simple way. Learn from experts. The people who create these courses are often experts who have been investing for many years. It's like learning to ride a bike from a professional cyclist. Practice in a safe environment. Some online investment platforms let you practice investing with virtual money or personalized advice. They can give you personalized advice based on your goals and situation. Learn from their experience. A mentor has been through the ups and downs of investing. They can share their stories and lessons with you. Emotional support. Investing can be stressful sometimes.